Imagine a world shrouded in perpetual darkness, a place where the sun's rays never reach, and the only light comes from the eerie glow of bioluminescent creatures. This is the deep sea, a mysterious and largely unexplored frontier, a place of immense pressure and frigid temperatures. Here the water is near freezing and the pressure is so intense it would crush a human instantly. Yet life thrives in this harsh environment. This is the deep sea, a realm that exists beyond the reach of sunlight. The darkness is so complete that it feels almost tangible, wrapping around everything like a thick, inky blanket. It is a world teeming with life, but the creatures that inhabit this alien environment are unlike anything found on land. They have evolved in isolation, developing unique adaptations to survive. Many would say they look scary. With their sharp teeth, glowing lures, and otherworldly appearances, these creatures seem like something out of a nightmare. But why do these creatures look so strange? The answer lies in their need to adapt to the extreme conditions of their home. The answer lies in the unforgiving conditions of their home. The deep sea is a place of extremes, and only the most extraordinary adaptations can ensure survival. Evolution has sculpted them into the most extraordinary forms, equipping them to thrive in a world that would be instantly lethal to us. From bioluminescence to enormous mouths and expandable stomachs, these adaptations are nothing short of miraculous. Join me as we venture into this extraordinary realm and uncover the secrets behind the scary appearance of its inhabitants. We'll explore how these creatures have turned the challenges of their environment into opportunities for survival, and discover the incredible diversity of life that exists in the deep sea. From the bizarre to the beautiful, the deep sea is a testament to the resilience and creativity of life on Earth. The deep sea is an environment of extremes. Sunlight fades completely just a few hundred meters below the surface. The weight of the water above creates crushing pressure, hundreds of times greater than at sea level. Temperatures hover just above freezing. Food is scarce, a stark contrast to the abundance found in the sunlit waters above. These harsh conditions have forced deep-sea creatures to evolve extraordinary adaptations just to survive. Their bodies and behaviors have been shaped over millennia by the relentless forces of natural selection. To understand why they look so scary, we must first understand the challenges they have overcome. In the deep, there is no room for weakness. Only the fittest survive. Every feature, from the size of their eyes to the shape of their teeth, serves a specific purpose in this unforgiving world. Their unusual appearances are not random. They are the products of millions of years of evolution. The creatures that seem the most monstrous are often the most perfectly adapted to their surroundings. Their alien forms are testaments to the power of natural selection, a constant reminder that life finds a way even in the most extreme environments. In the absence of sunlight, many deep-sea creatures have evolved the ability to create their own light, a phenomenon known as bioluminescence. This eerie glow serves a variety of purposes, from attracting prey to confusing predators. The anglerfish, for example, dangles a bioluminescent lure in front of its toothy maw, enticing unsuspecting prey into its grasp. Other creatures use bioluminescence for camouflage, illuminating their undersides to match the faint light filtering down from above. Eyes in the dark, seeing the unseen. In the vast, uncharted depths of the ocean, where sunlight barely penetrates, life has found a way to thrive. Here, in the pitch-black abyss, creatures have developed extraordinary adaptations to navigate and survive. Seeing in the pitch black of the deep ocean presents a unique challenge. The absence of light means that traditional vision is almost useless. Yet some species have evolved remarkable ways to detect even the faintest glimmers of light, whether from bioluminescent organisms or the occasional ray of sunlight that manages to penetrate the depths. Some creatures, like the giant squid, have evolved enormous eyes, the better to detect the faintest glimmer of bioluminescence. These massive eyes, some of the largest in the animal kingdom, allow them to spot prey and predators alike in the inky darkness. The giant squid's eyes are so sensitive that they can detect the faintest light, helping them to navigate and hunt in their shadowy world. Others, like the barrel-eye fish, have developed tubular eyes that point upwards, scanning for the silhouettes of prey against the faint light filtering from the surface. These unique eyes are encased in a transparent, fluid-filled dome, allowing the fish to rotate them and get a better view of its surroundings. This adaptation is crucial for spotting prey and avoiding predators in the dimly lit waters. These adaptations are essential for survival in a world where a meal might be a fleeting flash of light in the darkness. Bioluminescence, the production and emission of light by living organisms, plays a critical role in the deep sea. Many creatures use it to attract prey, communicate, or camouflage themselves from predators. The ability to see and interpret these brief flashes of light can mean the difference between finding food and going hungry. It is a world where the ability to see or be seen can mean the difference between life and death. In the deep ocean, every adaptation counts. The creatures that inhabit this dark realm have honed their senses to perfection, ensuring their survival in one of the most challenging environments on Earth. Their incredible adaptations remind us of the resilience and ingenuity of life, even in the most extreme conditions. Food scarcity has driven the evolution of some truly terrifying feeding adaptations. The viperfish, for example, boasts a cavernous mouth filled with needle-sharp teeth, some so long they protrude outside its closed jaws. This fearsome predator can swallow prey larger than itself, making the most of every opportunity in a world where meals are few and far between. The gulper eel takes this concept to the extreme, possessing a loosely hinged jaw and an expandable stomach that allows it to consume prey many times its own size. These adaptations, while seemingly monstrous, are simply a testament to the ingenuity of evolution in the face of adversity. In the deep, looking scary can be the best defense. Many creatures utilize bioluminescence to startle or distract predators. Others, like the deep-sea hatchetfish, have evolved flattened, silvery bodies that reflect light, making them difficult to see against the faint background. Still others rely on spines, spikes, and venomous defenses to deter would-be attackers. The chimera, for example, possesses a venomous spine on its dorsal fin, a painful reminder that even in the deepest depths, beauty can be a weapon. For centuries, the creatures of the deep have inspired fear and fascination. They have been the subject of myths and legends, often depicted as terrifying sea monsters. The giant squid, for example, was once thought to be a mythical beast, its existence relegated to sailors' tales and ancient folklore. Today, we are beginning to understand these creatures not as monsters, but as marvels of evolution. Their study provides invaluable insights into the incredible biodiversity of our planet and the remarkable adaptations that life can evolve. The deep sea, for all its alien beauty, is a fragile ecosystem. It is a world that remains largely unexplored, a mysterious frontier that holds countless secrets and wonders. The deep sea environment is home to some of the most unique and bizarre creatures on the planet, each adapted to survive in extreme conditions of pressure, darkness, and cold. These creatures, with their bioluminescent displays and otherworldly forms, are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. However, this delicate balance is under threat. Pollution, climate change, and deep-sea mining all pose significant dangers to this unique and largely unexplored world. Plastic waste, chemical runoff, and other pollutants are making their way into the deepest parts of the ocean, disrupting ecosystems and harming marine life. Climate change is causing ocean temperatures to rise and acidification to increase, which can have devastating effects on coral reefs and other marine habitats. Deep-sea mining, in search of valuable minerals, risks destroying these fragile environments before we even have a chance to fully understand them. As we continue to explore the depths, we must do so responsibly, striving to understand and protect these extraordinary creatures and their habitat. Marine biologists and conservationists are working tirelessly to study and preserve the deep-sea environment. They use advanced technology such as remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, and submersibles to explore these remote areas and gather valuable data. Their efforts are crucial in developing strategies to mitigate the impacts of human activities and ensure the long-term health of the ocean. The creatures of the deep sea may look scary, but their adaptations are a testament to the power of life itself. From bioluminescent jellyfish that light up the dark waters to fish with transparent bodies and enormous eyes, these organisms have evolved in remarkable ways to survive in their harsh environment. Their unique adaptations not only fascinate scientists, but also inspire innovations in technology and medicine. They challenge our understanding of what it means to be alive, and their continued existence depends on our commitment to protecting the ocean depths. Scientists are tagging deep-sea animals to track their movements and behaviors, providing insights into their lives and how they interact with their environment. These efforts are part of a broader push to conserve marine biodiversity and ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonders of the deep sea. What other secrets lie hidden in the abyss, waiting to be discovered? The deep sea is a vast and largely uncharted territory with many areas still unexplored. Each expedition brings new discoveries, from unknown species to geological formations that challenge our understanding of the planet. The mysteries of the deep sea remind us of the importance of exploration and the need to protect these incredible environments for future generations.